First, can you start out by telling us who or what is the goddess?
It's an interesting question. Who or what is the goddess? He sees both who and also an it. As who sees an anthropomorphic form, which means a human form, because gods are also like human beings. That's why the Bible says that God created human beings in His own form. There are forms. That's a very important thing that people in the 20th and 21st century should know, because we are comfortable with an unmanifest, abstract concept of God, but not a God with a form. So the goddess has a form. There are several of them. We will talk about them in a little bit. And then she is also an it, meaning she is consciousness. The goddess term confuses us somewhat, or not fully states the impact or the full meaning of the concept and manifestation of goddess. In Sanskrit, for instance, the goddess is called Chit Shakti. Chit means supernormal consciousness, a consciousness with which we do miracles. Out of Chit came Chitta, which is the human mind. All of us have only the human consciousness, mind consciousness, which is Chitta. Whereas the goddess has Chit, which is the consciousness to do anything and to know anything and to be anywhere, anytime. So Chit helps you to know everything, to do everything, and to be everywhere. You have this Chit also. Both men and women have Chit also in your consciousness. But then you only manifest Chitta, not Chitti. So you have to drop the A sound at the end, then you get into the goddess consciousness, both men and women. Then with that consciousness, you will be able to see the goddess and also live the goddess in your own consciousness as someone who is capable of doing miracles. The miracles are not possible because we live only mind consciousness. That's why human life is ignorant. Ignorance envelops about 95% of our brain and of our consciousness, that we can't know things. We cannot do things that we want to do. So the purpose of knowing and also experiencing and living the goddess means moving from mind and sensory consciousness to the supernormal consciousness of the goddess, to be able to do miracles, to become superhuman, or to become the divine. So the goddess is also a person, maybe not the person that we see as human beings, but as a form, a divine form that is not visible to human eyes, but can be seen through the help of the third eye, through your intuition. And she's also the power. The power, not only the power of knowingness, but also the power engendered in energy that enables you to do. So the goddess is both consciousness of a higher kind, of a higher nature, and energy of a higher nature, both together.